Easy. Let me introduce you to Mr. Fear. This is what fear looks like. Not only for your child, but for yourself. When I go through this in between my fingers, the first reaction of you is to pull your hands away. Why you pull your hands away? Because you fear that the knife will go through your hands. That's number one. Number two, you don't trust me. Of course you don't trust me with this knife. But if you do it by yourself, no issue, right? So, this is what we help kids to overcome fear. So from this, we build trust to this. They become comfortable with us, and then we up the skills, and now they're independent swimmer themselves. No issue of swimming. So how do we develop this? With time. You can start building confidence at home. Confidence is one thing. Another thing is overcoming fear. Okay? For you to overcome fear, you have to start it from home. Some kids, they don't like the water touching their ears, putting their face in the water because they are scared. The fear is exactly like how this knife is going through their hands. How do we develop confidence? By teaching them skills, and also for them to achieve the skills in an easy way. So how do we do that? We start at home, take water, pour on their ears, let them dip their face in a pail, just a little bit, so that once I can do, they'll be like, oh wow, I can do, nothing happened to me. That's not so scary, right? Mom, I want to do it one more time. Let's go. Let them splash water on your face. Don't go like, oh no, you don't splash water on mommy. Oh no, you don't splash water on coach. No. You splash as much as water you want so that you can overcome your fear and also be confident in water. That is the first very, very step that you can start from home. You don't need swimming lessons for this. Once you have go through that space of their life where you can make them feel comfortable with water, putting their face in, they're okay, holding their breath, bubbling with the mouth, with the nose. Once you go through all this, and then you know that your child is ready for swimming lessons, then you can bring them to the swimming pool, teach them. The coach will do a good job teaching them, and it'll be much more easier for progress. Either that, or you want to pick money, I can make their fear go away. But it takes a lot of lesson, and a lot of patience, a lot of trust. But don't worry, I'm here to save your money. Do it at home, start from home, then you progress to the pool. If you follow me, I'll teach you step by step on how to teach your child to learn to swim at home. Let them explore their body in the water first, and it starts not the swimming pool. Okay? Talking with experience, so you can trust me with this. It takes some time as a parent for you to do this at home, but it's not a lot of time. 1 day, 15 minutes at the shower time. When you're showering them, you can do this. At home, you might be thinking it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of energy. It's your child, it's your kid anyway. Spend the time with them. Take it as though it's a playtime with you and your child, a bond between you and your child. At the same time, create memories. This creates memories for you and your child. And this can be bring down to their child. Think long term.
I'm going to Sunday, do it. Just be ready lah.